So I've decided to cutify my rally shirt. The neck is really small on it anyways, and so I'm just going to make some modifications to make it more comfy. All you need is a pair of scissors, and I'm going to first start by taking the collar of the t-shirt and cutting that away. Ooh, here we go. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the material up at the top and I'm just going to stretch it, and it'll help smooth out the cut. And I am going to get rid of this little dangly piece. Yeah. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut the seam off of each of the arms. And I'm going to spice it up by adding some fringes. Okay, I'm just going to cut basically about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And I'm only going to do it basically 2 inches from this line. I may change my mind and go higher. I think I am. Yeah. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is just stretch each one of these. Just to kind of, actually I should be pulling it apart. Yeah. I think it's looking pretty cool. Alright, now let's do the other side. Cut off this seam here, a hem, and go ahead and yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to freshen this up. First, I'm jumping ahead. So let's just my partner in crime. Okay, I think we're done. I may go ahead and cut the bottom of this, but let's see what it looks like. So I really like the way this turned out. It's fun. I'm gonna actually make this a little bit wider, so I've got a little more shoulder showing, and I'm gonna cut the bottom seam here, and haven't decided quite yet what I'm gonna do. But yes, I love these fringes. Maybe I'm gonna do fringes down below. Okay, let's go ahead and work on the bottom here. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this hem. I'm gonna go ahead and just do something where I can just tie it. So I'm just taking this top piece and I'm just gonna cut kind of like a triangle. I'm cutting more of a diamond shape. A diamond, really. And that will give me enough material so that I can tie it at the bottom. I know I'm going to go a little higher with that cut as well. All right, let's take a look and see what the outcome is. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to try it on. So much easier getting it around my neck. Perfect. Who knows? Maybe I could have even cut it shorter. Cute. Very cute.